Uh, Hello. So today, just for a short time, maybe for few minutes, we are going to talk about some programmings and some MCQs as well. Let's see what are the programs. Going to share my screen here. Uh, Yesterday we saw that one program that was related to pointer, and some more programs we are going to talk about the pointer here. So next program we are going to write is to find the sum of two numbers using pointer. Yes, and we also see that how to write using the function if it comes asking that to use the function then. So here is a compiler. If you have any query, let me know there. So creating new file. So first header file we have to write. Then what we need there, main function. Then we need two numbers. Let's take float here, b. Then we need two pointers, obviously of float type. So first is a pt1, second is a pt2. Okay, now what we need there, we have to store the address of a and b. Yes, so let's go for it. So pt1 equals to a, then pt2 equals to b. Yes, after that we have to go for input, printf, enter two numbers, then go for scanf, f, then f. Now we have to go for a, then b. Okay, so we have done the input. Now what we need there, we have to store the sum of these two numbers in a variable. So for that we need a variable that is suppose sum equals to, since we are using the pointer to store the addresses, now what we need here, we have to dereference the pointer. So how we dereference that, just use pt1 then plus pt2. That's all. And after that we have to go for result. So sum is this one, then we have to put their sum, then put the return 0. Now save it, going to save it here. Now what we need here, going to run now. So asking for two numbers here, 12, 13. So result is 25. Yes, I hope you can see and say you answer about this one. If any query, let me know there. So here is the result. So any query here. So this is how we go for it, and nothing more we have to do. So just going to recap this one. I hope you understand. So we are asked to find sum, then just use the 2 pointers here, and we need two numbers. Since what the pointers there, pointers they are nothing more than just address holders. Means they store the address of any other variable. So we need variables here. What are they? A and B. And to find the sum, we have to use sum here. So first step is the variable declaration. We have done it. Yes, pointer declaration we can say. Pointer declaration. Second step there, pointer address initialization. Okay, so this is the second step. Next is dereferencing the pointer. Okay, dereferencing means now we need value, just use the value. That's all, nothing more there. Now same question, if it comes, suppose use the function, then how we write it? Same question if comes like use function, then how to write? Okay, so first going to change the comment here, use function. Void sum. Suppose this is the name of a function. Okay, so in simple way what we can do, we can put these all the parts inside this sum and just we can go for the result. But suppose if we are asked to pass the pointers as the arguments, then how we do it? So we have to pass two arguments here and they are float types. Yes, so first what we need there, we need a function prototype. Let's go for it. Void sum. Let's take 2 pointers here, float. Then first is here number A, next number is there B. Yes, so what is this? What is this? This is function. This is function declarer. Okay, prototype we say. Okay, now what we need here? So we are going to input here. So these are not needed here. Yes, simply what we do there, we have to go for the input. Yes, two numbers. So these are the numbers we are just doing input. Now what we have to do there, we have to call the function. So sum, what we need here, address A, then address B. Yes, so why to put this address operator? Because we are passing pointer and pointer stores address, so we have to use this one. Yes, and after that what we have to do there, we have to go for the definition part. Void sum, what do we need here? Float, then A, float, then B. Yes, here we need a variable that is sum numbers. After that what we need here, we need sum numbers equals to, let's dereference the pointers here. Since they are storing the addresses, what we need there, we have to go for the dereference. So what is the meaning of dereference? Access the value. So here is A, then plus, I can dereference the B, so that is B. Yes, now printf. So sum is sum. That's all. Nothing more we have to do there. Now going to save it, going to run it. Okay, same name here. Sorry, no idea. Ninja, TD Ninja. Please, first actually see the routine. Routine actually understand. I have no idea. Tomorrow is Nepali. Oh yes, I think it should be Nepali. Nepali हुनुपर्छ ल भन्नुहोस् न नेपाली केही पनि छैन नेपाली सजिलो सो हाउ वाज द एक्जाम टुडे निन्जा so nothing more there going to run it so enter two numbers asking giving two numbers 12.23 and 23.45 so it is giving us minus what is the cause here okay here is the variable we have used undeclared variable so numbers okay so going to rerun the program so 12.23 to 3.21 so here is the result so this is how it works so this is very simple program and this is how in very simple way we can understand the pointer passing to function. Tomorrow is Nepali, yes. TD Ninja. So I just saw routine here, and tomorrow is Nepali. That is Tuesday, Baishak 15. Then next exam is on 17th Thursday. That is compulsory social studies and life skill. Then it is next exam is 20, then 21, and so on. Right? So how was the exam English, Ninja? So this is how function works. It's very simple program, and so this type of question it may come in exam. So nothing, just you do there and just do in this way. Okay, make the function and just do it. Hello Supreme, how are you? How was the exam today? English? ओके ठिक छ, भोलिको लागि पढ्नुहोस्, राम्रो गर्नुहोस् इक्जाम. सो टुमोरो इज नेपाली होइन. टक्क चिटिक्क ह्यान्ड राइटिङ राम्रो बनाउनुहोस् है. अनि लेख्नुहोस्, व्याकरणहरू मिलाउनुहोस्, अनि ए प्लस ल्याउनुहोस्, सजिलो छ. ओके, त्यो भनेपछि यो हो हाम्रो सिम्पल फङ्सनको कन्सेप्ट. यसरी सजिलो तरिकाले मैले गरिदिएँ. सो दिस इज हाउ द पोइन्टर इज युज्ड. यस्तो खालको त इक्जाम आउन सक्छ होइन. ल, अब हामी एउटा प्रोग्राम अझै गरिहालौँ होइन. अब तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ इङ्ग्लिसको क्वेसन सजिलो थियो होइन र. ठिक छ, अब 60 प्लस ल्याउनु पऱ्यो होइन. 75 छ, 60 प्लस भनेपछि कति हुन्छ 75को ए प्लस भनेपछि 90%. 65 जति ल्यायो भने त 90 आइहाल्यो नि ए प्लस. सिक्सटी 68 जति होइन. त्यति ल्याउनु भयो भने ए प्लस आउँछ. ल, अब यो एउटा प्रोग्राम हामी छोडेर होइन अलि अगाडितिर जाउँ. जस्तै होइन, अब यसरी नै क्वेसनहरू घुमाउने हो है. अब यसमा चाहिँ होइन अब यसमा चाहिँ अलिकति के ट्विस्ट गर्न सकिन्छ. जस्तै होइन तपाईँको चाहिँ स्क्वायर रुट भन्न सक्छ, अनि डिफेन्स भन्न सक्छ. यो सबै चाहिँ हेर्न त्यस्तै खालको प्रोग्राम हो है. मान्छे गर्ने कसरी त, अब यही तरिका हो. अरू खासै गाह्रो छैन। हैन अब यसैलाई चाहिँ हैन अलिकति त्यस्तो क्वेसन त नआउला तर अर्को तरिकाले पनि गरिदिइरहेछौँ। अब यहाँ हामीले भोइड गरिरहेछौँ। सो इफ द क्वेसन कम्स लाइक रिटर्न द भ्यालु देन हाउ वी गो फर इट, अनि त्यसको लागि हामी के चाहिँ गर्छौँ भन्दा रिटर्न छ भने यहाँनिर रिटर्न हालिदिनुहोस् हैन। यहाँनिर कस्तो खालको भ्यालु रिटर्न गरिरहेछ, फ्लोट गरिरहेछ, फ्लोट हालिदिनुहोस्। यहाँनिर पनि फ्लोट हालिदिनुहोस् ल। यहाँनिर यसलाई हटाइदिनुहोस्, यहाँनिर रिटर्न गरिदिनुहोस् ल। यति गरेपछि सक्यो। अब यहाँनिर चाहिँ तपाईले प्रिन्ट गरिदिनुहोस्। यहाँनिर यो हालिदिनुहोस् ल। सक्यो, केही गर्नु पर्दैन, द्याट्स अल। चाहिँ यसरी गरिदिने हो, अरू केही गर्नु पर्दैन। अब रन गरेर हेरौँ ल। जस्तै मैले दिएँ 23 अनि दिएँ 43। हेर्नुहोस् त आउटपुट आएको छ, आछ नि हैन र? आछ नि। सो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स, नथिङ मोर देयर। अनि चाहिँ यस्तै खालको प्रोग्रामहरू आउँछ, अरू केही पनि छैन। स्वापिङ भन्न सक्छ, सम भन्न सक्छ, यसरी गरिदिनुहोस्, द्याट्स अल। अब एउटा प्रोग्राम अझै हेरौँ, त्यसपछि हैन तपाईहरुले चाहिँ हैन यो भोलि इक्जाम छ, तपाईहरुले चाहिँ यो लाइभ छोड्दा पनि हुन्छ। भोलिको लागि प्रिपेयर गर्नुस्, नेपाली हैन पुरानो क्वेसनहरु हेरिहाल्नुस्, व्याकरणहरु हेर्नुस् ल। पुरानो क्वेसनहरु अनिवार्य सोल्भ गरेर जानुस्, व्याकरणहरु टन्नै मिलाउनुस्, A+ आइहाल्छ। अब एउटा क्वेसन अझै पनि गरिहालौँ, त्यसपछि म स्टप गरिदिन्छु। तपाईहरु चाहिँ भोलिको लागि यहाँ लाइभ छोडेर भोलिको लागि प्रिपेयर गर्नुस् ल। भोलिको लागि हेर्नुस्, कम्प्युटर त पछि हामी गरिहाल्छौँ, चिन्ता नलिनुस्। एउटा क्वेसन लिए मैले यहाँनिर। अब यहाँ के भनेको छ यो हेरौँ। टु क्यालकुलेट सम अफ एलिमेन्ट्स अफ एन एरे युजिङ पोइन्टर्स भनेको छ। अनि यो गरौँ ल। एउटा प्रोग्राम यो यस्तो खालको त नआउला, सिम्पल खालकै आउँछ। मैले नयाँ फाइल बनाएँ, यसलाई पेस्ट गरिदिएँ ल। अब यहाँनिर के भनेको छ, पहिले हामी हेरो फाइल राखौँ। ल मेन राखौँ। अब हामीले के भनेको छ, सम अफ एरे भनेको छ। कतिवटा एलिमेन्ट हामीले केही पनि भनेको छैन। अनि चाहिँ पहिले हामीले एउटा के चाहिँ बनाऊ, n भनेर बनाऊ हैन, साइज एउटा साइज दिउँ। त्यसपछि यहाँनिर हामीले चाहिँ इनपुट गरौँ, एउटा पोइन्टर पनि हालौँ। एरेलाई नै पोइन्टर बनाउने हो भने त्यो पनि ठिक छ। हुन्छ टिडी निन्जा, चिन्ता नलिनुस् हैन। म तपाईको चाहिँ हैन यो पुरानो भिडियो पनि तपाईले हेरिराख्नुस् हैन। अहिलेलाई चाहिँ तपाईले अरु सब्जेक्टको लागि पढ्नुस्। पछि तपाईको बीचमा कति दिन ग्याप छ, लगभग 3 दिन कि 4 दिन ग्याप छ। त्यो दिन चाहिँ भयो भने म अलिकति टाइमिङ चाहिँ बढाइदिन्छु, अनि तपाईहरुको क्वेरीको एन्सरहरु अनि हामी रिभिजन पनि गर्छौं। त्यति चाहिँ हामी गर्छौं ल, चिन्ता नलिनु पर्दैन। अब यहाँनिर चाहिँ हुन्छ हजुर, हुन्छ ल। अब यहाँनिर हामीले चाहिँ एउटा एरे बनाउनु पर्यो। पहिले चाहिँ हामीले साइज इनपुट गरिहालौँ ल। सो printf enter the size of array to use, यसरी गरौँ। यसलाई डाइनामिक पनि बनाउन मिल्छ। त्यसपछि यहाँनिर के चाहिँ गरौँ, स्क्यान गरौँ, त्यसपछि यहाँनिर डी गरौँ, त्यसपछि यहाँनिर साइज गरौँ ल। यो भयो। यति भइसकेपछि अब यहाँनिर के भनेको छ भन्दा एउटा एरे बनाऊ इन्ट अनि त्यसपछि ए अनि यहाँ ब्राकेटमा साइज गरिदिउँ ल। यति भयो। अब एउटा पोइन्टर बनाऊ। एरेलाई नै पोइन्टर बनाउन पनि सकिन्छ हैन, एरेलाई पोइन्टर बनाउने हो भने त्यो पनि ठिक छ। अनि चाहिँ यहाँनिर साइज पछि हामीलाई सम भनेको छ, सम इक्वल्स टु 0 गर्नुहोस्, छुट्टै पोइन्टर युज नगरेर। अब यहाँनिर हामी के गर्छौँ, एउटा भेरिएबल बनाउँछौँ इन्ट आई भनेर। अब इनपुट गर्छौँ, सो फर आई इक्वल्स टु 0 अनि आई लेस देन इक्वल्स टु साइज -1। त्यसपछि आई प्लस प्लस गर्छौँ, त्यसपछि यहाँनिर इनपुट गर्छौँ। सो मैले यहाँ प्रिन्टएफ गरेँ, इन्टर भ्यालु फर लोकेसन डी, यो गरेँ मैले। त्यसपछि यहाँनिर आई प्लस 1 गरिदिएँ पहिलो दोस्रोको लागि। अब यहाँनिर इनपुट गरौँ, सो स्क्यान एफ ल। अब यहाँनिर हामीले के चाहिँ गरिरहेछौँ, यदि सिम्पली एरे मात्रै हालिदिने हो भने त्यो पोइन्टरको कन्सेप्ट चाहिँ हुँदैन, द्याट इज नट गोइङ टु बी पोइन्टर। सो वाट द क्वेसन इज आस्किङ द युज पोइन्टर, it is asking yes or no. So what we have to do there, let's make this array pointer. So how, just we have to add the address a plus 0, so it becomes pointer now. Array being pointer, okay, that's all. Array being pointer, as you add the address, I mean that as you add the location, then it becomes pointer. Then ampersand is not needed. Okay, now what we need there, we need sum. So we need here dereferencing the pointer. How we dereference, we dereference by putting the injection operator. So a plus I we have to put, then that's all. We found the sum. Now let's print from here. So print up the sum of elements stored in array equals to d, then we have to put sum, then let's put return 0. That's all. Going to save it. Pointer array to find sum dot c. So that's all. Now going to run. If any bug comes, we'll see that, but I hope there is no bug. Going to run it. Okay, showing one bug here. Okay, semicolon missing, so saving now. So enter the asking for the total size. Suppose if we give 5, then enter value for location 1, suppose that is 12, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6. The sum of elements is to an array, that is 27. Is it there? Yes. So what we have to do there, is it right or not? So 5 to 7 to 9, 12, 16, 22. No. So I also added 5 there. So we have to add 2, 2, 4, 3, 7, 11, 6, 17, 1, 1, 1, 2, 27. Means this is the right answer. So what I mean and what I wanted to show you in this program, that whenever you go for pointer using array, just you have to do there, uh, add the location to the array, add the location with the array, so it becomes pointer. So looks like this one. Yes, it is being pointed. And if you want to dereference, then just use the indication of it. That's all, nothing more there. So I hope you also about the pointer. In very simple way, you can also about the pointer. And if any query, use the chat box, maybe during the live streaming, or maybe if the live streaming is not happening then. So I hope you also saw this one. For further queries, let me know there. No queries, fine there. Okay, so today this much, and next day again we'll be talking about the some programs. We want to go for next one. So similarly, we can also do some other programs here. Factorial value also same way we can write the program. Factorials, then swapping, we did yesterday, and many others there. Okay, this was a very simple program, and again tomorrow we'll be talking about some more programs and the MCQs. So this was for today. So thank you, and see you tomorrow for short time, we can say there 15-20 minutes there. Just it goes on that up to 27 there. And so do your best for tomorrow exam and show your best. Okay, so this was, thank you.